What's up, YouTube? I have a short video. I just have something on my mind, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So, as the title of the video, or wherever the title is, up here, down here, over here, I don't fucking know. We're gonna be talking about sex today, and I know that off bat, when you think about sex, the first thing that comes to your mind is probably pleasure. Then, children and the diseases, which are all true when we are all talking about sex. But this video is called Sacred Energy Exchange because there's more that goes on with sex than just pleasure and all that other stuff. There's a whole system in which I'm still learning it myself. But like I said, I had something on my mind. So there's a whole system behind this thing, and we're not taught anything about the fact that this is an exchange of energy that two people are engaging in. And if you or the person you are engaging in the exchange with are in a rough patch, because people carry their own demons, people carry their own spirits, people have troubled thoughts, people carry a lot of stuff with them. As well as I know, is that a lot of people are not healed out here. So when you're dealing with someone, or if you are not healed and you're dealing in this exchange with someone, you are exchanging those things. A lot of people out here ain't even really dealing with they're dealing with all these other traumas of everybody else. Because when you sleep with somebody, you sleep with all those people that person have slept with, and vice versa. So there's all these different energy exchanges, and it's not like anybody has cleansed themselves and any of that good stuff, but it's not wise to be out here sleeping with everybody because it feels good, because you think you're cool if you do it, or whatever the case may be. It's not really benefiting you if you don't know who you're laying down with. You become who you sleep with.